Imagine finding a screen that looks exactly like your MacBook, works exactly like your MacBook, but costs $600 less than the Apple Studio display. Most Mac users are tired of plugging in an external monitor only to find that the colors are washed out, the text is blurry, and the brightness keys on their keyboard suddenly stop working. It feels like you're fighting your own setup. But BenQ just changed everything with the brand new MA270S. This isn't just another 4000 monitor with a fancy stand. This is a 27-inch 5K powerhouse built from the ground up specifically for the Mac ecosystem. It's designed to be a seamless extension of your laptop, giving you that high-end Retina experience without the massive Apple tax if you've been waiting for the perfect desktop upgrade. This might be the most important tech launch of 2026. The biggest problem with most monitors is that they don't match the Mac's golden number for pixel density. Apple's Retina displays sit at 218 pixels per inch, which is why everything looks so crisp. The BenQ MA270S hits that exact same mark with a full 5K resolution of 5120 by 2880. When you plug it in, macOS scales perfectly. You don't get those weird, tiny menu bars or fuzzy text that you see on standard 4K screens. It's pure, sharp, and detailed. Whether you are editing 4K video with room for your timeline or just reading long documents, the clarity is breathtaking. It uses a 16:9 aspect ratio and even bumps the refresh rate up to 70 Hz for smoother scrolling. With VESA Display HDR 400, your colors don't just sit there, they pop, but clarity is only half the battle. If the colors don't match your MacBook, your workflow is ruined. BenQ solved this with their Mac color tuning technology. This monitor supports 99% of the P3 wide color gamut and 99% SERP, but the real trick is how it's calibrated. Right out of the box, the colors are tuned to mirror the built-in liquid Retina XDR displays on the latest MacBooks. There's no more guessing if your photo edit looks right. What you see on your laptop is exactly what you see on the big screen. To make it even better, BenQ uses a Nano Gloss panel. It gives you that vibrant, deep black look that glossy screens are famous for, but it has a special coating to keep reflections under control. It's the best of both worlds, the beauty of glass with the practicality of a pro workspace. Design-wise, BenQ clearly understood the assignment. The MA270S features a sleek, minimalistic silver finish that looks like it was carved from the same block of aluminum as your MacBook. The stand is clean and sturdy, but it's also incredibly functional. There is a built-in rubber pad on the base. This is a genius small touch because it lets you rest your MacBook or your iPad right against the stand without worrying about scratches. It also creates a perfect landing zone for your AirPods, Apple Pencil, or iPhone. It doesn't just sit on your desk. It organizes your desk. Connectivity is where the MA270S really starts to outshine the competition. It uses Thunderbolt and USB-C with 96 watts of power delivery. That means one single, solitary cable handles everything. It powers your MacBook, charges the battery, and sends the 5K video signal all at once. You can finally throw away that bulky power brick. If you're a power user, there's an extra Thunderbolt port for daisy chaining a second 5K monitor. It also features HDMI and multiple USB-A and USB-C ports on the back. It basically acts as a massive high-speed hub for your external drives, keyboards, and mice. There are even built-in 3-watt speakers for your Zoom calls and casual YouTube watching. So you don't need extra clutter on your desk. The real secret sauce of this monitor, however, is the software integration. BenQ created a companion app called Display Pilot 2 that lives in your macOS menu bar. This is a game changer. Most monitors require you to reach around the back and fumble with clunky buttons just to change the brightness. With the MA270S, you can use your MacBook's actual keyboard keys to control the monitor's brightness and volume. It's called iKeyboard Control, and it makes the monitor feel like a part of the computer. It even has brightness sync, which uses your Mac's ambient light sensor to adjust the monitor's brightness automatically as the sun goes down. It even syncs with your macOS focus modes. If you turn on Do Not Disturb for deep work, the monitor can automatically switch to a low blue light mode or a specific color profile. It's hardware that actually talks to your software. For those of you who run to machines, maybe a MacBook for travel, and a Mac Studio or even a Windows PC for heavy lifting, the Smart KVM feature is incredible. You can plug both computers into the monitor and use one single keyboard and mouse to control both. You can move your cursor from one screen to the other, and even copy and paste files between them. It eliminates the need for extra peripherals and keeps your workspace clean. BenQ also prioritized your health with advanced eye care features. The monitor is certified for low blue light and has a visual optimizer sensor that prevents eye strain during those 10-hour editing marathons. In my opinion, the BenQ MA270S isn't just a great monitor, it's a statement. It proves that you don't have to spend $1,600 to get a professional, Retina-grade experience. It gives you the 5K resolution, the P3 color accuracy, and the deep macOS integration that professionals need, but it does it with more ports and a better stand than the official Apple option. If you are a creator, a coder, or just someone who loves the Mac aesthetic, this is the best value for money upgrade you can buy in 2026. It bridges the gap between third-party hardware and the Apple ecosystem perfectly. It's smart, it's beautiful, and it's finally a 5K monitor that feels like it belongs on a Mac user's desk. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the tech that actually matters.